peso something. Let's go. Bye. Pili ka lang dyan. Fries, chicken and chips. Ito na yun. Ito na yung napanood ko sa vlog. Habol. Hello everyone, this is the Piedad family and welcome to our vlog. Today we are going on another vacation, another family vacation. Medyo malayo pupuntahan natin. We are going to New Zealand. For this trip, ang sasakyan natin ay ang favorite namin na Singapore Airlines. So the trip will be from Manila to Singapore. And then from Singapore straight to Christchurch, New Zealand. So paborito namin sinasakyan ng Singapore Airlines dahil sa food nila sa aeroplano. Gusto namin yung pagkain nila kasi ang dami nilang mag-serve. This is an economy seat pero tignan nyo naman yung food na sineserve. So we ordered kids meals para kay Liam and Sage, and this is the adult meal or the regular meal. So yeah, again, welcome to our channel, welcome to our vlog, and we hope you enjoy our videos in New Zealand. Ito na yun, napanood ko sa vlog. Habol. So ito yung plano for our trip. Coming from Christchurch, we will be going to Dunedin. And from Dunedin, magki-Queenstown tayo. From Queenstown, we will go to Lake Tekapo. And then, tsaka tayo babalik ng Christchurch. So meron tayong 2.5 weeks para matapos lahat yan. Pero bago lahat, pagdating galing airport, dito muna kami dumiretso sa pack and save para mag-grocery. Para hindi naman kami basta-basta mambuburaot lang sa bahay ni brother-in-law sa pagsa kami mag-stay sa NZ. Hi, Chu! Not hi, Chu. Itong Pixie Caramel. Pinky. Marshmallow covered. Chocolate. Yeah. Hindi masarap. Alam mo, kailang bili na tayo niya telen, hindi naman nakakain niya. that sage? Baby fish. Are these all like marshmallow forward? Yeah. Tanong mo sa kuya mo anong ginagamit niyang doon, sabon. Persil siguro yung parang ano nila rin. Ewan ko, parang kamukha niya. Okay, we're going to Woolworths grocery.
And I am freezing in the air.
Super lamig. Super lamig. Ano ba temperature today?
I think it's 1 degree below zero.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's just 1 degree.
But probably it's probably 30 degrees.
It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Probably. Are these apples?
A surprise. It's $14.95 per kilo.
What is
$9.99 per kilo.
Tomatoes. Is this the tomato section?
Tomato section. How about here? Apple. $6 per kilo. 5.80. Kiwi. 3.99 per kilo. Liam, you don't have to touch them. Look lang. Here. Yeah? Kasi this one, no? For kids. Eh, kaya may apple na pala kayo kahapon, no?
Melon.
Kids apples. No, not that one. So big. Yeah. So, lamb. Lamb, $10. $19. Rack of lamb, $93. Breakfast sausage. Alin? Breakfast sausage. Ito, pork. Tayo dito. Breakfast sausage. Kuha ka ng breakfast sausage, Chadel. Filet steak. 27. Yung mga steak nila. This one, Wagyu. Wagyu. Here are the steaks, Liam. Chicken. Bread. Waffles, huh? You wanna try this? Chocolate chip waffle. They have vanilla and then chocolate chip. You wanna try it? No? Sure? Okay. Let's look around. Burger bun, $7.50. White bread, $3.99. White bread. Let's go to mommy first. Let's give her the cheese that we got. Cadbury mini rolls. Mini rolls. Baker Boys, raspberry slice, chocolate caramel slice, ginger, parang masarap, cherry almond. Looks good, oh. Parang masarap.
Guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Chili section. Yeah. Yes. Swiss cheese. Let's look. Why? Where did you learn about Swiss cheese? Let's get this one. Yung brie.
What about cheddar?
Ito, this one. Cheddar cheese. Ah, the one that we ate kanana sa plate.
The next morning.
Okay na, sumusunod na yung camera ko sa kung saan ko siya gustong pumunta.
Nung binili, hindi naiintindihan paano gawin.
Kahit kahapon, kumukuha ako sa supermarket, yung angulo ko, ang gulo eh.
Nung binili niyang vlogging camera.
Eh, vlogger tayo eh. Hi guys.
Say hi.
Hi. Yeah.
Do it.
Yes, it's lighter now.
Hi guys.
Hindi ka naman magkakawin yan.
Oh, yan anak. That's
No.
Moo! It's moo. Moo!
Kawin yan yun. So big. Ay, tignan mo oh. Alam nila kung saan pupunta.
Ayun o, may nag-ano.
sa kanila.
Anak. Ah, sa kabila yung sheep. Tama naman talaga. Oo, mali. Sorry.
Baka salbahe kayo kaya
Kao
naman
kami
pala
ng
eh.
kao. Kami ang mali pala. Good morning. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Hutt, New Zealand. Request ni Liam for his birthday this year, makakita na snow. So, this is our first snow experience. Sobrang taas nitong...
Hey guys.
Ow! Nasaan na ako? Sobrang taas itong Mount Hutt. So, parang literal nasa tuktok talaga kami ng bundok. Medyo nakakatakot yung papunta, no? Kasi mabangin yung daan. Tapos ang taas. Medyo nakakatakot yung ipapunta. Pero ang ganda pagdating mo dito. Ito siya. So skiing lang. At dahil hindi naman kami nagsiski, ito na lang. Mamaya magsa-slide kami. Dito tayo sa kantin ng Mount Hutt. So, pili ka lang dyan. Fries, chicken and chips, fish and chips, cheeseburger. Ano tayo? Cheeseburger na lang. tayo ng cheeseburger. And do they have cheese? Pepperoni na lang. Then you can remove the pepperoni. Ha? Do they have cheese?
Ito.
Ayan, cheese pizza. Okay, come on.
Bakit din mo lang ako nag-Amerika? Dito sa amin ko. Meron din ako dito. Nalimutan ko.
Mana sa kotse?
Basta.
Wala extra gloves si Sage. Kasama sana yung gloves niya.
Kaya bakit sa American goma?
Magsisledding naman yung kids ngayon. So, buti na lang yung brother-in-law ko. May sariling sled. So, nahiram namin yung sled nila kasi hindi sila walang nararentahan dito na sled. So ganda magdala ng sarili mo. Sage! Grabe. Grabe na to.
I'm gonna bring it.
Come on.
Hinta niya ako rito para matigil na ano sila.
Yan.
Tumigil.
Ay, dito pala bababa. Akala ko doon sa kabila. Here, Sage, Sage. This side lang, Sage.
I went backwards.
On this side lang, Sage. Stay on this side. Sagey.
Daddy, we're going to snowball at you.
Oh, later. Come on, here. Liam?
Yeah. Wait.
Oh, hold it. Sige. It doesn't matter. You're going down anyways. Go. Bye. Okay. Your turn. Okay, hold it, okay? Hold it, okay?
Kuya Sam!
Okay, put your feet here. Inside, okay? Okay, wait. I'm pulling my pants. Ready. Go. Yay! You crashed, oh no! Ang galing-galing naman nito ni Sage.
Oh, daddy ko.
Nakakapagod pala bakit?
Kaya.
Come on! What happened? Oh no. Okay, wait. Wait. Ready. Okay. Say bye. Bye, Sage. Wait lang. One at a time. Ready and go. Okay. Ready?
Go!
Bye. wala kaming topa. Kunwari. Ganda no? Is it nice here? So nice, so pretty oh. Kiss. Kiss daddy. Ew. Bumabalik yung nervyos ko.